Hi, my name is Nihara. I am an NLP Master Practitioner, an Emotional Intelligence Practitioner, and a Life Coach Practitioner. Today, I would like to introduce the fundamental of Neuro-Linguistic Programming. I, as a trainer, would like to introduce this subject of Neuro-Linguistic Programming because I believe that we as human beings have loads of potential which can put into use. Have you ever wondered, as an individual, that some people reach great heights in life? Some people go round and round their own life circle. So today I would like to discuss this subject. Why is the main reason we as human beings do not use our potential, nor are we trained to use our skills and our abilities to the optimum. Have you ever met a successful entrepreneur, a CEO, a surgeon, a doctor, a philosopher of great intelligence, and wondered why cannot be a successful individual has done? The only answer is this individual has been given the same potential as you. He's been given a platform as you, but he or she has used his potential to the optimum. Today, I will take you on this great journey of understanding yourself. What is neuro-linguistic programming? What do we teach? It is a thought-provoking personal development discipline that provides people with an understanding of the human potential and how to communicate at much deeper level. So this is the journey I intend to take you on. In the Fundamentals of NLP Training course, you will learn how to apply wisdom-based principles, communicate honestly, transparently, set goals and achieve success, achieve great opportunities of your personal growth, be aware of yourself, connect with people in an authentic and a progressive manner, set positive goals and be a leader and manage great relationship skills, connect to your values and enhance your performance at work and reach every successful star you deserve to be. So today I will take you on this great journey. Now, this subject is a great value to your life. You can add value to your personal development by just entering and understanding the skills of NLP. A journey to remember, a journey to practice, a journey to reach your heights. And would you know that joining NLP would change the entire life of yours? So today come and you may wonder who this course is for. This course is for every individual on the planet. We as human beings are never tapped on our great potential. This potential is God-gifted. We have to learn to practice and train ourselves to be high-valued individuals. So I should say this course is for business people, for working moms, for housewives, for students, for every person in every journey of life. So today, I would like to give you this platform to make yourself a better individual who has the potential to be and dream whatever he desires to be. Join today and never look back at the success. Just look forward towards success and reach your goals. Would you like to meet a new you who could reach the heights of success, dream big and become the most successful individual and tap into great heights and potential in your career, in your relationships, in your understanding the world, and build your neurological skills to enhance the ability to understand the surrounding. Come, let me make you feel how great it is and how easy it is to build yourself and build your new you and become the most successful individual.